Let's go flying. We got the Arrows F86. Get a nice toss into the wind today. Let's go flying. Woo. Blowing over 10, that's for sure. Whoa. My hat is crooked. There's no way I can touch my hat on a windy day. The wind's making everything, all the turns are bigger in the wind. And I thought that was like right over the camera. Man. It's windy. Oh. It is a windy day, that's for sure. I'm using all kinds of down elevator into the wind. It's over 10. It's probably blowing. I don't know how high it's blowing up above the clouds because it's over 10 here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
When it flies over your head, man, you just can't panic. You just got to hold what you got. As long as you know it's flying straight and level. Wow. Now I even have the little gyro ASX on. I even have that on, or else it'd be getting beat around a little more probably. So I don't know what we're going to get off the A, B, C cameras. You see it getting shook. Wow. Holy cow. Try another pass here and then we're going to work on a landing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
There we go. That was a pass over the cameras. Alright, let's get a landing in. Going to try to land in front of the cameras. We'll see how it goes. Slow down. Rudder, not too much rudder. You got to get off that rudder. Once you're banked in the turn, if you have rudder on, man, it's down elevator.
Time to start.
Whoa. I'm just bringing it over so it'll land in front of the camera. I'm just bringing it over so it'll lay it in front of the camera. In that wind, I'll take it, man. The wind's blowing from right here, so it was a little crosswindy. Yeah, man, wind's over 10. I'm happy with that flight. Crazy winds, man. Probably blowing about 13, 14 in that flight. Higher above the trees. We'll get that about right there. The thumb about right there. But there you go, man. We got the Hero 11 in the sun, Max in the sun, Jeff in the sun, Arrows F86 in the sun. Tuco's at home waiting to get a haircut, or getting a haircut right now as we speak. Having a great day out here at Liberty Landing. I miss my furry buddy. The hardware people asked where he was at when I stopped at the Ace Hardware to get some stuff. Hope you're having a good 30th. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You got the bird couldn't make headway in the wind. He had to turn around. It's blowing over 10. It's a gusty day. Having fun. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subbing. This is Jeff saying woo, 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 woo.